Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make super yummy, delicious, creamy chicken gravy, which is also known as chicken Angaara. As you can see, it's delicious, it's creamish, and it's very thick gravy. For that I need 500 gram of chicken. I have peeled off the skin and washed it. Lemon juice, oil, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste. I'm going to have 3 tomatoes, fresh cream, cashew nut soaked in water, black pepper, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala powder, 3 onion, and 3 to 4 dry chili. I'm going to use this chili. If you have chili flakes, you can use that as well. Now that's it, that's what I need. So firstly, I'm going to marinate my chicken with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. That's it. I'm going to marinate it and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. The reason I'm doing this is it will give a nice soft juicy taste for a chicken. So just mix it really well and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Now I'm going to take oil in a pan I have heated. I'm going to start frying up my chicken. So just let it get fried on the high flame. Now as we have added lemon juice in it, there will be a little bit water coming out of it. It's going to be fine. Let it get fried up. Mix it really well and cook for not more than 10 minutes. Just cook it on high flame. You just want to have that soft juicy chicken. Now I have removed my chicken aside. I have heated another set of oil. I'm going to add up my onion. I have just chopped my onion roughly. I'm going to mix up my onion. Now we just want it to just get a little bit fried up. I'm going to also add up ginger garlic paste, I have added my soaked cashew nut, and I'm going to just give a nice stir. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Again, I have not chopped it very thin. I have kept it big tomatoes. I just want my all ingredients to get a little bit soften up, so when I will try to make a paste, it's really good. So I will leave it for at least 5 minutes on high flame. I have put my lid on and I'm leaving it. Now look at that. This is what I'm looking for. That's it. I don't want to make it juicy. I don't want tomatoes to get melted. Just a little bit of much. I'm going to remove it in a dish and I'm going to grind it up. Look at that. I have removed it in a different dish. Now I'm going to just simply grind it. We need to make a very thin paste. So just grind, and look at that. This is what I'm looking for. We grind it really well. You can see I have taken oil and ghee, half and half, just a little bit. And now I'm going to add in this ginger garlic paste again, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. You have noticed I have not added everything at once. So ginger garlic paste, the reason I'm adding in my ghee is that it will give a nice smell to my chicken. I'm going to add my red chili, Kashmiri red chili, and I will mix it up just to give that beautiful color to my curry. This Kashmiri chili have no more hotness in that, so it will just add color to our chicken. I'm going to now fry up my chicken in this chili and ginger garlic oil. Now I'm going to add up I'm going to make my flame high and going to add up my paste, the paste which we have prepared earlier. I'm going to just add it up, and look at that. That look beautiful. It looked lovely. It already started looking yummy. I'm just going to mix it up really well. Mix, mix, mix. We don't want a thin consistency. We want a thick gravy. So we are not going to add any water in it. We're not going to make it thin. We're just going to keep it as it is. I'm going to mix up my gravy. Look at that, it looks beautiful. And now it's time to add up my fresh cream. I'm using 200 ml of fresh cream. Cooking cream I have used. So just take 200 ml of cooking cream, mix it up well and nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness me, it looks so beautiful. It looks so nice. I can smell all my spices. Now I'm going to add up my garam masala. Now this is optional. If you don't like garam masala, then add it, but it will give a nice hint of spices in the last. Yeah, so I'm just going to put the lid on and leave it to cook for at least 10-15 minutes. And look at that. This is how it looked like. It looked delicious. It looked yummy, and it's ready to be eaten with my naan, butter naan, or with rice or chapati or pita bread. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.